What are you doing?
I'm trying the Scorpion Pepper Challenge. Here we go. I don't want to. God, you said it wasn't hot. Oh my God. God. Oh. God. Whew. That was puked on that dude. You're not bringing this to school. Oh, school.
What?
No. I don't know how you handle that. Oh, God. You're right about salivating, dude. Oh my God.
We'll do it with the hiccups.
I puked a little bit.
Let's see what this is.
Oh.
Turn the bottle around so we can see it. The bottle.
That stuff don't play at all. Ghost pepper has nothing on that, dude. God, that's terrible.